Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. So today we'll be solving the following problem. We need to calculate the volume of revolution about the x-axis. So you can see this is a region bounded by two curves, and it will give us some area which will be revolved around x-axis. Then we'll have to calculate its volume. So to start with, I would like to sketch the graph so that you could more clearly see what we are trying to solve. So basically, I have over here, this function is minus 3 squared, is centered around 3 and it's a parabola. And this function for over x is an asymptote. So now we will have this region over here. Now we will have to revolve this region. Now when we revolve it, we will be getting small circles. Now this is x, y. I will show you as well from the y, z perspective what we are getting here. So essentially, we are going to just revolve this and we'll get a solid, a 3D solid, and you can notice that this part will remain hollow while this part will be revolved. So if you look, for instance, at this point, then from this perspective, that is from this side, you'll notice that we have two circles. And the radius of the bigger circle will be 4 over x. So I have the radius as 4 over x. And the radius of the smaller circle is x minus 3 to the power of 2. So now what I have to do is to just calculate the area of this circle, bigger circle minus smaller circle's area, so that I only obtain this region's area. Now what we have to do is to calculate the sum of all of those areas in order to obtain the volume of our solid. And we remember that the limit of the sum gives us the Riemann integral. So we can integrate this region. Now in order to integrate, we will also need to find the intercept of this function. Now let me just really quickly do it. So 4 over x is equal to x minus 3 squared. So 4 is equal to x minus 3 squared. Now I don't want to lose time here calculating this analytically. So we can easily see that x1 is 1 and x2 is 4. If you plug in, you will see that the result is the same. That is why, let me just write down the integral. So we have 1 and 4 over here. So our integral will be from 1 to 4. This is what we need to get. So pi times the bigger circle's radius squared minus smaller circle's radius squared. So we will obtain this. Now all we need to do is to just simply calculate this expression. And let me do it really quickly. So I will obtain 16 to the power 16 times x minus 2 plus 1 over minus 2 plus 1 minus x minus 3 to the power of 5 over 5. This whole expression will be from 1 to 4, and it will be multiplied by pi. Now if I open this up, what I will obtain is minus 16 over 4, then I will obtain minus 1 over 5 plus 16 and minus 2 to the power of 5. Now what I have here is 12 minus 1 plus 2 to the power of 5, which if I open up will be 16 minus 33 over 5 equals 27 over 5. Now we have forgot our pi, it was here, so I'm putting it back. So In the end, we obtain 27/5 times pi. So I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. The main idea is that we need to calculate the sum of areas of this region, and we obtain the Riemann integral, we integrate it, and we get the volume of revolution about the x-axis.